What's up, beauties? It's your again, Natural Milani once again, and I'm back with another beautiful and easy to make hairstyle. I can tell you end up with this already, so just keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I love you all. So first, I'll be showing you everything new for this hairstyle, ranging from your cuticle to your beads. So guys, I'm not going to be saying much in this video. I'm just going to explain everything from the beginning, and all you have to do is keep on watching. So what I'm doing right now is to put my smaller sections to get the perfect size I want for this hairstyle. And once I'm satisfied, I'll go ahead and use my white tooth comb to detangle, because we don't want tangles for this hairstyle at all. We don't want tangles, so I'm going to use my white tooth comb to detangle. Then I'm going to go in with my hair gel, which I got at a very cheap price from a local store. I'm going to use it to slip down any hair that I might think is flying. Then I'm going to go in with my rubber bands, which I'm going to oil before adding them to my hair to prevent breakage. So after oiling my rubber bands, I'm going to add it to my hair, making sure it's firm and not tight. We don't like tight hairstyles, guys, so we're going to just make sure the rubber bands is firm and not tight. And to add our next rubber band, we're going to measure with our fingers to measure. We don't want it too far, neither do we want it to be too close. Once you've got the perfect measurement, once you are okay with it, go ahead and add your rubber band and repeat the same thing for the third rubber band, or as many rubber bands as you're using for this hairstyle. Just make sure you measure it. For the ends of your hair, you might add beads and you might not. So if you're going to be adding beads to your hair, you're going to be twisting the ends just like I'm doing right now. You twist the ends of your hair, and if you're not going to be adding beads, just go ahead and use your rubber band to secure the ends of your hair. And this is just the whole thing, that guys, this is the basic thing. It's really simple, and look at how pretty it came out. So just go ahead and repeat the same routine in your entire head. For the front section, I'm going to make it cornrows because I don't want my hair in my face. That's about 6 to 7 cornrows. But if you prefer, you can just make the poddle puffs all over your entire head. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and turn the notification button. Also, you should comment down below and tag me if you try this look. final look, guys. I've been in love with this hairstyle for a while now, and I'm still loving this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell because you don't want to miss more and more of my videos. And if I guess you get this hairstyle, please tag me, please tag me. See you later. I'll see you guys in my next video. I remain your girl, Natural Learning. Bye.